Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday afternoon, May 31st, as the month comes to an end. You're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. They're voting right now on that stupid debt ceiling deal. I am assuming it will pass tonight, but we'll see. Look, interestingly enough, ES does not have an outside month up. They had to close above 94.75. They didn't. But SPY does by over $2. So it's kind of conflicting there. Bottom line is we're still in balance as far as I'm concerned in the monthly until we take out this month's high. Don't forget, the monthly high and the yearly high is still in the overnight. I don't think that's going to hold. So let's go quickly to the other ones. NQ comes back into balance. Now, I'm going to use NQ as a 3-day balance right now. Some people might say if they take out today's low, they'll go down on the daily. But I'm going to give NQ some respect since they've had a great run, and I'm going to make them take out Friday's low for the daily to go down if we ought to do that. So for now, it's balance as they end 8 wide with an afternoon rally high. Remember, we gapped lower today in NQ. It filled right away. Righty again takes out a balance low. Question is, are you going to call the daily down or say they just stretched it? Again, it's subjective. We'll see at the end of the week what I call it. We did have a trend day down, but they filled it, as you can see late in the day. For ES and SPY, gap lower, failed. So that's only 22.7% of downside gaps have held. Trend day down, failed. Only 30.8% of trend day down have held. We almost took out both sides of the IB, but we did not. Excellent day today. So yesterday, after giving back 29 points and only making 10, today smacked them around really good for 53 points. The only long I took today was prior to the opening. I'm like, they usually front run the overnight low. So I bought it and they front ran it and made money. And then when they filled the gap, that's when I started my shorts, short day. Every other trade today was a short. Shorted A against the gap fill, made on that. B period, one time framing down, looking like we're going to have singles. Shorted that for 8 points. 12 points in C. G period, 8 points. I mean, everything was against the single prints. My best period in one time frame was I. Even though they ripped higher and filled the singles, I ended up making 13 points on the short side in I. And then made small in J on a short. And I actually took a short in M at 4,200. And it came in. I took it off at 2 points only to see it come ripping down for another 10. But again, very, very happy with my day as we put 53 points on the board. And the volume's pretty good, 92 million. So we'll see if with the after hours, do we do 100 million? As far as destinations go, we only have today's high and low as reference points. So 419.22 for the upside, 416.22 for the downside. Exactly a $3 range. ES 0450 for the upside, and then 74 for the downside. So let's just check out the charts. Okay. So tomorrow we'll have some fresh money coming into the market. We have PMI at 945 and ISM at 10. I can't stand those numbers coming out in the first half hour. It's just so aggravating to have to deal with those, but that's life. So here's our monthly. SPY is an outside month up. ES is not. I am calling this balance until we take out the monthly high. If we don't take out the monthly high, then we're still in balance. If we take out the monthly low, we'd still be in balance, right? We'd just be in this whole big balance. So for the bulls to really get my stamp of approval to call it up, they need to take out May's high now. The weekly is up. As far as I'm concerned, even though we've come back in a bit, to me the weekly is still up. And then the daily is a 3-day balance. So if we take out today's low, we're not down until we take out Friday's low. If we take out today's high, we're not up until we take out Tuesday's high. So right now, a 3-day balance. Excellent day for a small range. I hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Enjoy your evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.